Hello and welcome to Lost Food Barbecue. Let's make a broccoli and chicken casserole. So we need to brown the chicken. I'm melting a little bit of coconut oil in a skillet and then adding the chicken. It's still partly frozen, so it took a little while. Season it with garlic, pepper and some salt, and that was it. While that was browning, I took 15 slices of bacon that I cut into thirds, and I started rendering out the fat because I wanted to have some bacon in this. Bacon is always good. Okay, flipping them around when they're cooking and adding a little bit of pepper to this. And then once they're browned, I'm transferring them to a pan so I can put them in the oven, covering them with the bacon. Then on top of that, a layer of broccoli. This is actually frozen as well. 1 can of coconut cream, 1 cup of heavy cream, and 3 mozzarella cheeses just to top it off. Into the oven 175 350 for 45 minutes, and this is what it looks like once it comes out. Serving it as it is, it's a full meal. And there we go, time for a taste test. There we go, some chicken, bacon, mozzarella, broccoli and cream. Can't go wrong, can it? I will admit I was hungry, but I'm gonna enjoy this immensely. Thank you for watching. Bye.